Hey guys, I just wanted to show you my Zippo collection. All the Zippos that I've got from a time. So here they are. I got 7 Zippos, 4 original Zippos, and the other 3 ones are fake ones. Not original, like this one, which is a Harley Davidson Zippo. It's, I got it like 1 year ago. From a store from my town. The other one right here is a fake Zippo. It says American style, but it's a Chinese one. It's fake. It's a star copy. And I got here another fake one from the same store, and it's no wick in it. Doesn't have a wick. They're pretty old. And here are the original Zippos that I've got. The first one. The second. I got this one from Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenix. Like 1 year ago. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's cool Zippo. Just a second. Oh, it's gonna be. The other one is a Evil Clown Zippo. I got it for last Christmas, Arizona. I ordered it on Amazon for 27 bucks. I took the orange thing of the orange stickers of Zippos because I don't like it. So yeah, it's pretty cool Zippo. Okay, then this one I got it from some friends last year. It's a Zippo that has been designed by an Italian artist, Mazzi. It's pretty cool. The image is simply amazing. It's a snake. It's super cool. And the last original Zippo I got, I just got it a few months ago, from a friend. It's a regular Zippo. I didn't use it at all. I don't want to use it because I just wanted to add to my collection. It's pretty cool Zippo. It's mate and black, mate and white, like yin yang yo or something like that. It's pretty cool. Okay, so those are my original Zippos. 4. And the other ones are fake ones. Yeah. So I hope I will extend my collection soon. I don't know. Maybe when I would go on to America as soon as I can. And yeah. That's pretty much it, and thanks for watching. See you next time.